Hello everyone, welcome to our webinar, and today the topic is Best Trade Show Tips and Tricks by Exhibition Builders in UAE. I'm Carolina Anjon and I'm the Marketing Specialist at Stroke Experts. So, what's the importance of a unique booth? Well, we know all the traditional booths where you have the backdrop and rows of tables draped with cloth is so old class. Well, to up your game, or if you want to make your booth unique, you need to make it really attractive and interactive at the same time. Hence why you need to work with the exhibition stand builders in UAE. So how do you make your booth unique? Top-notch quality and versatility. The quality. You know that the trade show is a huge investment and most of the portion going inside the booth. So make sure your booth is very unique and has top-notch quality within the creation. The versatility. Make sure that it is usable and reusable every year so that we can make changes to it, whereas your signature and your brand colors remain the same, but there is a certain change that we can bring every year. A good tip. Dominate the scene with giveaways. Create an interactive experience with high-quality promotional items. Avoid giving away cheap pens. Collect the information with potential customers or prospects that could actually turn into leads so that you can follow up with them after the trade show. Another tip, host a game. Yes, I said that right. Hosting a game gives you two benefits. One, you attract a lot of attendees to your booth. And two, you're collecting information of the potential customers or prospects to your database. Create a game that is very relevant to your brand or industry. It could be a quiz, a game show, or any potential fun game that could attract more and more attendees. The next tip, and trust me, it's the most crucial tip, demonstrations and presentations. Demonstrate your product or service to your attendees. Use interactive presentations or demos in real time, either by soft copy or hard copy, highlighting the USP of your brand. Showcase why your brand is and not what your brand is. And this next tip is the use of technology. Use of technology makes your booth look very modernized. Using digital screens, digital signage, etc. It amplifies your booth and attracts more audience towards it. And the next step is the power of social media. Just because you're offline and you're able to interact with people face-to-face doesn't mean you can't be online. Being active on social media. Leverage the power of social media and reach out to potential customers who couldn't make it for your show. Use relevant hashtags and roll out posters from time to time basis. Use the power of videos, reels, shorts, etc. and reach out to your customer. And to be outstanding. Being outstanding, being unique, and being creative will result in a true ROI. It will help in trade show marketing and collaborating with the best exhibition stand builders in UAE. Helping you with these tips and trades, you can have a creative stand working with the best trade show exhibitors in UAE. So let's conclude. Few tips and tricks that we shared today were to make your booth very unique. Create high quality booth that is very creative and attractive at the same time. Use of modern technology, the power of social media. Don't forget about presentations and demonstrations. And yes, the fun tip, host games and giveaways that will help attract more attendees to your booth. So that's all for today, folks. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions or want to build a very creative, unique booth, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Visit us at our website. Thank you.